One of the easiest ways to get started with Vevox is to use the anonymous Q&A. This can be great for sessions where perhaps the classroom's completely silent or you're struggling to get any sort of engagement or two-way conversation going. To include Q&A in your Vevox session, it's as simple as going into Settings, going to Features, and turning the Q&A message board on. You've got the option here to switch on moderation. This is great if you're running an asynchronous type session where you're not going to be potentially monitoring the Q&A board in real time, and just allows you to have control over the messages that come in. Once you've got that set up, okay, you go to Save. And if you want to present the Q&A board back to the classroom, you can go to Present in Full Screen. Once this is up on screen and comments start coming in, they will come straight into the onto the message board and also onto the participants app. Students also have the ability to like comments and upvote them and move them to the top. And it's as simple as that. That's how you get anonymous Q&A set up in your session. I'd highly recommend giving it a go.